Hey guys, it's Amanda Galindo here with eXp Realty and the Galindo Real Estate Group, your local real estate experts here in the Northwest Metro. Wanted to give you a quick tour of our newest listing in Monticello. It's an adorable twin home, meticulously maintained, super clean, lots of updates. It's been very well taken care of. New flooring, new appliances, fresh coat of paint. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,500 square feet, priced at $193,900. We're going to be having an open house on Saturday, March 17th, for you guys to take a look at it in person. Trust me, this will not last long. There's very few homes in Monticello under 200,000. So it's a great location, located just across the street from Little Mountain Elementary. The address is 4904 Stoneridge Lane. I'm going to give you a quick tour to take a look around, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, guys, so this is the entryway on 4904 Stoneridge Lane here in Monticello. It's got a nice entryway. I'm going to take you upstairs first. So this is new flooring here on the steps. It's got the darker trim, which is nice. And as you walk up here, you have the living room that overlooks the kitchen. So it's nice. It keeps it open and has a nice feel to it. And it's a nice size living room here. There's one full bath up and 2 bedrooms. This is a smaller bedroom here. Carpet is newer, and there's a bigger bedroom that has a walk-in closet. So this used to be the master until the sellers converted it to a private master downstairs in the basement, which I'll take you to. There's some nice storage here in these cabinets. New kitchen flooring. It has a patio door off the side, so you can build a deck. Upgraded appliances within the last couple years. The backsplash, granite countertops, upgraded hardware, lighting in the kitchen. These guys did a recent remodel within the last couple years. Downstairs, the flooring was just replaced within the last year. This also has the same stairs as the upstairs with the flooring. It's a nice family area down here. And then there's a 3/4 bath in the basement. That door right there, that is for the laundry room. Patio door here off the back too. There's a nice patio out back here with some nice pine trees and stuff. I sit out here in the summertime. And then here is the master. You can see me in the mirrors. It's got the double closets. So that is 4904 Stoneridge Lane. It's a quick little tour. You got to see it in person. It won't last long. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out.